Wow, that was a really nice jog. Aside from falling in the mud, accidentally eating a grasshopper, well, almost eating a grasshopper, and spraining my ankle, it's a pretty fun jog. What do you think, Kimmy? It was pretty fun. Wait, why do you feel like that? I don't know. What the heck? Does she have the flu or something? That's really disgusting. What the heck? Oh my god, get away! What the heck? Does she have a disease? Let me just look at my clipboard. Yes, she does. She has a disease. If diseases were given to people by other people, I would kill whoever gave Kimmy that disease. Well, that girl may think that that's her plan, but she won't be laughing once my plan gets into action. She thinks she's all healthy, but when after I come in, everyone will be sick and I will be the only healthy one. Oh, yeah. Oh, well, would you look at that? My nose is running, drizzling like a punctured water tower. Butter snot, bring me the tissue box. Yes, sir. Of course. What? Yes, that's it. Just throw it right in my head. Oh! My head. Oh, I'm so very sorry, sir. Can you please very much so forgive me? Can you very much please? Buttersnot, you've been downgraded, demoted to the basement work of this amazing castle. Meanwhile... There. Much better. There. Now, aside from drizzling mucus all over myself... it's about time this castle had a cleanup. But first, getting back to the point, I will now call on my much less useful and needed butler. Sir Tim, get down here now. Yes, of course, sir. Yes, of course. Sir Tim, I have a question to ask of you. Who is this girl who wants to challenge me? Stupid cough. Why, her name is Caitlin Giacropus, except she prefers to be called Kate. Ugh, bad terminology. But anyways, it actually says it right there on that crystal globe, except it's, smeared with snot from the recent sneezing attack I had just 15 seconds ago. I know. It's very disgusting. Let me just... Oh, that is her. Well, she will definitely not get a hold of me. That I can say. Yes, and... Oh, please, if you would excuse me. Oh, I think I've got it now. It's a giant snot thing. Fuck. Oh, that hurt. Oh, please, don't be overdramatic. It's just a cough. Cold. Ugh.